So you have a Dolce Gusto circle and there's no water coming out or no coffee coming out. The machine is on, you put the coffee on, you hear the pump, it's working, the machine is shaking, no water. What do? The power is flashing, means there's pressure in the system. It's stuck somewhere. What do? Let's fix it. Unplug the system, remove the water, put the machine on the side. Right up here there's a needle and a little thing that can come off. You close the handle, you see a hole. So you take a metal paper clip, insert it into the hole, slightly slanted upwards, and you push using 2 hands. This thing comes easily off and you remove it. Now this thing is dirty from all your coffee. That can be cleaned. Some scaling there. This thing also not so pretty. Let's clean it. On the back of the machine there's a little metal pin. You remove it and this thing can be inserted into the hole. Just like this. You insert it into the hole. You see it exits on the other side. And you clean it. This one comes easily off. It's actually a hole through, so this is fine. Now what can also be wrong is this water inlet, which can get stuck. So using normal household equipment, slightly put it in here. Don't cut it, just rotate it. And here it comes loose. Fine. Remove it a bit, loose, put it back again, all the way down. And voila, should be fine. Now assembling it all together again. Let's try again. And water comes out! Amen! Now, it might be that you have to fiddle with that water inlet a little bit. Up and down, twist it, make the water tank really go all the way down. Make sure it fits flush, a bit up and down. And then it will come. Thanks for watching.